Hey, leo niko na energy. Welcome to PM's Kitchen. And today I got amazing. When you see me close my eyes, know that what I'm about to cook, it's amazing. Today we are cooking teriyaki chicken. At what? PM. At what? Teriyaki chicken. That is what we are cooking today. I think it's Japanese food or something like that. Yana huko hivyo kwa wale watu wa macho kidogo. Kama mimi unaona leo venye nimevaa nimefunga. So guys, I am going to introduce our ingredients for the day. We are going to need a chicken pieces. This is boneless chicken. Actually my part is I love chest chicken breast. That is chest part. And we are going to need a cornstarch here. We are going to have sugar. We need honey, and this is ginger, fresh ginger, salt. This is garlic, fresh garlic, and then spring onions, you know them. And then we are going to need soy sauce. You're going to need vinegar, and then cooking oil. We are going to need and a bit of water, and that's all. That's all. Imagine, that's all. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, wherever you are watching me. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. We are growing. If you are new here, most welcome, and feel free to to subscribe. And also remember to touch the bell for you to be notified every time we release something new. Ama namna gani? Bring me those comments. Tell me whether you are going to try this. Bring me the thumbs up. Bring me what else. Share this video with your families, with your friends. Try to cook it. Alafu muleta hizo thumbs up. Build my channel with me, and God is going to bless you. Welcome to the family of PM, to my kitchen. Now we got our chicken here, and we are going to be eating this one with rice. Don't worry, there is rice cooking behind me. So we are going to need to mix several things. My chicken is like a kg. So I'm going to need like 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. We are going to need like I don't want to start with the honey because it sticks in the spoon sometimes. We need like a spoon of ginger. We need like a spoon of garlic, and we need to put some vinegar here. Some vinegar, like a spoon also. Then we are going to need soy sauce, like 2 spoons, because soy sauce ndio mambo yote. The dark soy sauce, like 2 spoons. 2 tablespoons, or even 3, because we want to achieve that color. So it depends with how much of your chicken you are cooking. After soy sauce, we are going to need water. Water, like how many spoons? Like 3 or 4. Don't put too much. I'm trying to clean my spoon because I need it for the honey. So honey, we are going to need like 2 tablespoons. And then a bit of spring onions. You can put many or zile unataka. Acha mimi niweke zote hizo. I love them. And then you do what? Mix well. You mix this, mix it together. You have noticed I have not put salt here because soy sauce got a lot of salt, so I didn't put it here. And there we go. We have our sauce already. Mix it well. We have our sauce already to cook. Then after that, you come to the next step. The next step is our chicken. Now, we are going to season our chicken with salt. Remember, soy sauce got a lot of salt, so you don't put a lot. You don't want to spoil this chicken. Then we are going to put the cornstarch now. Remember, you use cornstarch like 2-3 tablespoons depending on how much is your chicken. Mine is a kg, so that is why I'm using a bit of cornstarch. So mix it well. Mix it well. Mix well, mix well, mix well, mix well. There goes our chicken is ready. Now we are going to be frying it on a pan till we achieve the golden color. We turn until golden. Welcome to PM's Kitchen. If you are new, welcome to our channel. We love visitors. Visitors are blessed. Welcome, welcome. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you touch the bell for you to be notified every time we upload something new. Bring the comments, tell me whether you'll try this one. Wow, I love the chicken, the way they start coming up. They have started coming up. Our color have begun to come. So, at least they are golden brown, but you don't want them to stick. This is chicken what? Teriyaki. Teriyaki. So if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And subscribe. Don't just come and then you sit down and relax. You come, watch as you subscribe. Baba namna gani? For those who have subscribed, thank you. We are growing, we are growing, we are growing, we are growing. Mungu awabariki. And today, we are proudly sponsored by PM Mavazi, PM Nail Spa. And this is where we glam women. You reduce your motor. This is where we glam women. Please, my nails are done by PM Nail Spa. And also we sell clothes from Turkey, purely Turkey wear. Our number is 0710 300 200. It is right here. Take it. Book an appointment. We do pedicure, manicure, facials, gel, professional makeup at PM Nail Spa. If you need a dress, we deliver in Kenya and out of Kenya. Everywhere in the world, we deliver. So guys, because we are sponsored by PM Mavazi and PM Nail Spa, why don't you sponsor them? You sponsor them by shopping from them and also visiting their spa. We are in Kasarani, Power Star Building. That is where we are. Take the number, holla. Okay guys, our chicken are golden brown and about to be fully cooked. After that, you can see we are adding our sauce. You remember the sauce we made? Now we are adding it here. We are adding our sauce. We are adding our sauce. We are adding our sauce. Then we are cooking till the sauce dry. Teriyaki chicken. Imagine that's all. Oh my God. See that? Do you see the sauce? Do you see the sauce? See the sauce? So we are cooking till it is fully cooked. You keep on turning and turning and turning till it's fully cooked. I have used the plastic spoon because I realized I was breaking my chicken. So that is why I changed So guys, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that, and you have teriyaki chicken. It seems or looks so hard to cook, but it is not. It is awesome, 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 awesome. And do you love my hair? Do you love my hair? Do you love my wig? So today my wig is done by Hair Innovate. They are amazing when it comes to human hair, wigs, bundles. They sell in wholesale, retail. Their number is right here. And call them. This is their number. Call them. They will give you all the details. They are in Nairobi City Center, CBD. Hair Innovate. Follow them also on their social media, on Instagram and Facebook. Hair Innovate Kenya. And give yourself a beautiful wig like mine. Lakini leo nimeifunga hivyo juu napika, isianguke kwa chakula. Alafu niliona mtu ananiambia, Prophetess, cover your head as you cook. My friend, this is not commercial cooking. I'm cooking for my family. So I can cover or I can cook like that, the way I want. Wewe ukipikia watoto nyumbani, by the way, unakavanga kichwa? Tuambie hapo kwa comment. Ati PM unaongea vibaya. Siongei vibaya, mimi nasema ukweli. Juu hata hapa watu wenye wanasemaga hivyo, wakipikia watoto wao wengine mpaka makeup mpaka nini venye tu umetoka job. So tupendane. Hakuna violence. Sija choose violence. Me, I don't like violence. Kwanza mwenye alisema ati Kikuyu women cannot cook. What am I doing now? Watu wa Murang'a, hebu kujeni hapa mnipigie makofi. Watu wa Nyeri County, kujeni hapa. Kiambu, kujeni. We know how to cook kama namna gani. We know a lot of things. This chicken is a must you try it. Is a must you try it. Why am I keeping, like stirring it? Because I want the sauce to be fully in every chicken piece. Ikae huko ndani. Amazing food, amazing with PM Kitchen. Amazing food. Have you subscribed? How can you be watching beautiful food like this and you have not subscribed? How now? Touch that bell. Every time I upload something new, you will be notified. Tell me whether you are going to try this. Actually, this is amazing. I thought I have cooked. Every day I'm caught by surprise. Every day I'm surprised. Every day I'm surprised by my cooking. I thought that I cooked jollof rice. Now this one. Hey, yeah. I thought that I cooked chicken wings. Now this one. Hey. And then I love the feeling of the color. And I love the feeling of the sauce. I love the feeling of the sauce. I love the feeling of the sauce. Look, the mixture of the sugar, the mixture of the honey. I want to show you the sauce. Muone hiyo sauce venye iko. Bona hii sauce itaki muone. See that sauce? I love it. Guys, switch your stove off and your teriyaki chicken. Ready to serve. Who is seeing what I'm seeing? Nani anaona kile ninaona jamani? Oh my goodness, hii hata sijui kama itatutosha. Hii hata sijui kama itatosha watu jamani. Hii sijui hata kama itatosha watu jamani. Hapa sasa wewe kama ni muhalisi, kama wewe ni Mwafrika halisi, unaweka mchele hapa, unakoroga, unakula. So guys, look at that. Hey goodness. Now we are going to be serving this with rice. Lunch is ready. So you can serve it with plantains, rice, chapati, ugali, anything. And some veggies, maybe greens. But as for me, I love salad. So I had prepared salad here earlier. So you can serve it with anything. Jesu Kristo mwadhani. Jesu. Jesu. Let me try to look the one with the sauce. This food is amazing. So guys, mine had served it with salad. This is just a normal salad, lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, and dressing, and a bit of olive oil. And then I serve it with my chicken teriyaki. You can serve it with whatever you want. You can serve it with ugali and greens, chapati, plantains, anything you love. Now it is time to taste. Look at that food. Hey my God. Hii hata kama mnaniambiaga, hii lazima niwatestie. Acha tuhesabu. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch off that camera. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, I will never go to that hotel again. I'll be cooking it for myself. So, this is teriyaki, chicken teriyaki, and it's amazing. Very easy to cook. Very easy to cook. Within 30 minutes, you have cooked your lunch, your dinner. Ingredients, we are going to be writing them on the description down there. But also, I know that you will try to cook this one. So till we meet again, this is PM's Kitchen. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for the support, love. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for everything. Mungu abariki. If you are new here, I'll see you around again next time. And please remember to subscribe. Mungu si awabariki. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Be blessed.